It is now 6:15 on this Monday night. Jessica Van Meter back with us now. And listen, compared to a few days last week, feels like summertime.
Hey, it really does. It's like baseball weather out there, right?
Almost.
Take away the rain, you could play some baseball out there. Maybe melt some more snow for the snow belt, and you know we're on the way.
Yeah, you say don't get used to this.
Don't get used to it. No, not at all. We are not at baseball weather anymore by any means. Today probably the warmest of the next several days for us. We managed to hit 53 degrees at Cleveland Hopkins, so about 10 degrees above average. We did get some much needed rain rather than snow, about a half an inch of rain at the airport there. Even with that, we are still at the airport at least running almost 9 inches below average for the year for precipitation. So we do still need some, and we've got some in that extended forecast as we go through the rest of the week. But we've also got some changes that are heading our way. As I mentioned, today is probably the warmest of the next several days for us. As we go through the next few days, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday especially, is a time of change. We're going to go from very mild temperatures to some chilly conditions. And that means rain to snow will be the case for us as those temperatures drop through that middle part of the week. Here's how this looks with the big picture forecast. We're going to see another chance for some just scattered light to moderate rain showers. That's going to come especially during the second half of the day tomorrow. And then as we get to Wednesday, our temperatures will be dropping, so we're going to get a change. So some rain, snow potential in the morning, and then as we get towards Thursday, that cold air really settles in. Thursday is likely to be the coldest day for us for the next several, and that's going to feature the potential for some lake effect to kick back in for some of those areas where they are doing a lot of melting of previous lake effect snow right now. And we do still have some melting going on. Any very cold temperatures still well off to our northwest. We're still sitting at 49 degrees for Cleveland. Any of that rain from earlier is well off to the northeast at this point. What we're left with as we get into the evening hours, a lot of cloud cover that's out there. Some patchy fog's going to be possible, and really a radar that's not nearly as impressive as what it was earlier. It's pretty steady through the morning, early afternoon. We've got just a couple areas of sprinkle, drizzle, just some nuisance showers that are showing up out there. So you might encounter some of those, maybe need the windshield wipers as you go through the evening and into the overnight. The cloud cover will stay strong for us. Again, some patchy fog could be possible. Temperatures will be dropping back into the lower 40s, which is really not bad at all for this time of year. And as we get into tomorrow, our temperatures are not going to be too bad. National Design hour-by-hour forecast will still make it well into the mid to upper 40s through the afternoon. We're mostly dry through the morning other than one of those nuisance showers that could pop up towards about lunchtime and beyond, especially areas south and or east of Cleveland. We'll have some scattered showers moving in. Those will kind of take over as we go through the day, kind of similar to what we had this morning. Really just some light to moderate showers, enough that you're going to need the windshield wipers, but not enough that it's going to be super heavy or really just ruin the day, really just a nuisance kind of situation. That sticks around through the early evening hours and then exits pretty quickly into Wednesday. Our high temperatures technically for the day are likely to happen around midnight. From there, we're continuing to drop into the morning hours. Chance for a couple of rain, snow showers through the morning, and then those temperatures are just not going to improve. They're going to hold steady and even drop a few degrees as we go through the day. So just really stuck in the low to mid 30s through the day on Wednesday. We're mostly dry through the afternoon. We'll see a chance for a couple of brief snow showers that really won't amount to too much as we get into the first part of Wednesday night. Behind that, though, we've got much colder air that's going to settle in for Thursday. Some single digits, double digits to start the day on Thursday, and that lake effect will be something that we do watch. We do have a winter storm watch in place for far northern Ashtabula County from Wednesday afternoon through Friday morning. That's going to be our best area where we get some potential accumulations during that time frame. Rest of that Union Home Mortgage extended forecast. After the chill settles in for Thursday, we do improve from there slowly but surely. We're back into the mid 40s for the weekend. That means any precipitation is going to be rain rather than snow by that point, Russ.
The blue arrow. Rarely that means good.
It does not mean good. No, definitely.
All right, Jessica, thanks a lot.